Okay, this is the door inspection.
Well, the doors appear to be within the time limit, so 45 seconds. So we're going to write that as okay.
45 seconds?
And the edges are okay. The motors are okay. Throttle door interlock is working. It's okay. I'm going to write these okay because we already did them. We did rollers. This does not have rollers on the back. I'm going to write this up as a BO, and I'm going to write alignment.
For the front door right here?
Yeah, for the front door.
Yeah. It's got problems.
Now steering. Okay, steering. What we do is we cannot have more than 2.5 inch play. So we stick our hand up here and we see. Let's do it several times. To the edge and over. We are way well in tolerance here. So this bus passes.
My
You want
truck
us to
had
look
like
at
a
the
foot on each side.
column, steering wheel, and all appears to be good. Now we have to go underneath.
Go underneath.